These are all the different things we can do here. We have the Belvedere Hotel. Apparently there's like a lounge bar as well. You can do roller skating, something with the chicken, a mini golf. You have the couples heart with the locks, some beehives, a telescope. Here we can go paragliding as well. Let's go to the photo balcony. There's a playground, amusement park, and of course the mini golf and the adventure park. Let's first look for the place to make a picture. Should be this way according to the signs. You can also come by car if you want, and you can just park here. We are arriving at the viewpoint, guys. Are you ready for the magnificent view over Tirana? There it is, guys. Whoa! Wow! Nice, right? That is amazing. Ooh, and you can really feel that we're like much higher than all of the surroundings here. That is beautiful. We have that lake there, we have another lake there. It's a quite spread out city we can see now. And here we can see the cable car coming up. So we came all the way there over that little hill. Somewhere down there must be the station down in the city. Wow, guys, feels so good. And there's a little breeze up here. Other people are making a picture now. There we have one of those selfie machines, like we did in Tirana in the center at the castle. Let's continue here while the cable cars are literally flying above our head here, bringing new people up to Mount Dajti. Look how nice it is up here, guys. It's really well maintained. You can go skating here. You have all the flowers. Oh, we have a little fountain here. Guy is playing mini golf. Let's see how he does. Oh. Hole in one. It's easier in mini golf than in a real golf, of course. Okay, guys, we're walking back down to the bus stop the same way we came up. I took the cable car. Now we're going to take a local bus back to the center of Tirana. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you as well if you plan to come here. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. I will try to answer them. Like, subscribe, share, you know what to do. And I hope to see you guys for the next video here from Albania. Ciao!